Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how much does a video cost? First, it's important to understand what goes into creating a video. Depending on your goals, the process can involve a lot of different steps. These steps might include writing a script, storyboarding your video, actually capturing your footage, assembling that footage into a cohesive sequence, color grading, adding graphics and special effects, and finally rendering that footage out into a video file that you can use on your website or social media. So how much does a video actually cost? Well, the answer is it depends on a lot of factors, including the length and complexity of the video, the number of people involved in the project, and the resources that you have at your disposal. At 2H Media, we typically shoot 2 to 4 minute segments involving 1 or 2 speakers with a variety of secondary footage to make the final cut seem more engaging. A simple short video like this, involving minimal graphics and effects, is going to be a lot more affordable than something long form involving a lot of movie magic. And for most small businesses, it's going to be all you need to power up your marketing efforts. Our video production costs are really simple. We typically charge $2,000 for a day of filming and $1,500 for each 2 to 4 minute segment we edit. We can reasonably shoot up to 6 segments on a single shoot day, so you can get a lot of value out of that shoot if you plan your segments really effectively. That being said, it's really important that your video content fits into your larger marketing strategy, and building out that strategy can be a lengthy and involved process. Ultimately, the costs can vary quite a bit, but if you've got a budget between $5,000 and $6,000, you'd be really surprised by how much content we can create to level up your marketing. If you're interested in learning more about how we produce videos, I encourage you to book a strategy call. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that's right for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.